Across rural communities in Africa, agriculture remains the heartbeat of daily life. From sunrise to sunset, farmers work tirelessly to produce the food that sustains our nation. Yet, behind every harvest lies a struggle. The challenge of milling grains without access to reliable electricity. Many farmers still depend on fuel-powered milling machines, which are noisy, costly, and polluting. The price of fuel keeps rising, and for those in remote villages, the burden is even greater. We Team 2024-30 has taken up the challenge to bring to you a solar-powered grain milling machine for rural communities, which is a clean, affordable, and sustainable solution designed to transform not only the life of citizens, but to the environment and economic stability. Get the design and process taken. The project is still ongoing as we do test analysis and adjustment. We thank Efficiency for Access Design Challenge for creating this avenue and their steadfast commitment to the advancing of clean energy solution. We also thank Cases Bedouin for giving us the opportunity to be part of this innovation challenge. Thank you.